Good afternoon, everyone. It's Chris here. I'm out at the beach. It's just about February, so it's about 30 degrees right now. You can see I'm bundled up. I have about 4 layers on the bottom, 4 layers on top, hat. Wish I could have gloves right now, but I don't have good gloves to be able to touch things and stay warm as well. So for right now, hands are going to be cold, but I'm out here mainly to use my new drone, the Mavic Air 2. And here, I'm going to take it off for you right now. And here we go. It's kind of behind the camera. Here it goes. Let me bring it around. Oh, there he is. Going to try not to crash him into myself. It's kind of loud, so I'm going to have him take off for now. Mainly what I want to do is get some of these cool shots of the beach while the sun is setting. So as you can see, I'm recording. It's a little bit too bright, so let's actually switch it into 60 frames a second. That means I can drop my shutter speed a little lower. Nice. Oh, this is beautiful. And let's have them start going. Alright, it's been about probably 30 minutes since I recorded anything on this camera here. I've kind of just been playing around with the drone. I definitely hope that you guys have been enjoying the footage that I've been putting up on the screen so far. But again, I am still playing around with this because it is just an amazing sunset right now. It's starting to die down a little bit, so I'm probably going to leave very soon. I don't even know what time it is. I haven't looked in a little while. The tide is also coming up, so this is probably the second or third time I've moved my camera farther up the shore. Yeah, it's definitely getting dark out now. To be honest, I think I'll just take the drone back in now and we'll get back home and start editing some of the footage. Getting closer, about 300 feet away. It's amazing how fast this thing moves. It's really incredible. He's right about on top of me now. I'll put him right in front of the camera. Catch it by hand. Oh, he doesn't want to. He's backing off. Alright. There you go, buddy. You can just land how you want to. There he goes. Landing. I'm just going to try to pick it right up. Blow off any sand. This extra light on the bottom is actually really powerful, as you can see. It really makes it easy to spot in the dark. Went through about 2.5 of my batteries. Again, it's just a little too dark now, so basically time to go home. But again, the footage that you can get with this is amazing. And this is just the Air 2. I mean, if I got the Pro 2, it would be even better. But to be honest, it's just about the kind of shots that you get. It's about the kind of cinematic look you can create and just making sure that your exposure is correct and your shutter speed, all that is correct. So, as you can see, the sunset is actually still really nice, but I'm freezing. I'm glad I layered up a lot because actually my whole body feels nice. It's really just my hand. So I think the next thing I'll invest in is a nice set of gloves that just have the fingertips come off, or that you can maybe even tap on the fingertips. That would help me a lot. Again, I got that Fly More combo, so you get a couple extra batteries. You get this nice bag that fits everything perfectly snug. Oh wait, I gotta put the gimbal cover back on. I gotta take my other glove off for that. So, like my previous video earlier this year, the done is better than perfect idea. I didn't really have any plan of what I was gonna do tonight, especially with the drone, so I figured I'd just come out here. I knew I could get something cool. It ended up being awesome. The sunset was perfectly colorful. It's a little too dark to do anything now, so packing everything up, and I got about an hour-long drive back home. Seems kind of crazy sometimes to drive out an hour each way to only stay here for about 1 hour, an hour and a half. But, the beach is one of my favorite places to be and get some amazing footage here, amazing photos. So if there's anything I didn't share yet, I will share it now. If you enjoyed everything so far, please like the video, comment about maybe what you think was your favorite part. If you have any ideas of other things I could do with my drone, please let me know. And definitely subscribe, because I'm going to be putting up a lot more cool stuff like this throughout the year, and actually focus a little bit more on real tutorials of stuff, not just coming out and having fun. But if you enjoy watching the fun stuff like this, again, definitely subscribe. I'll have a lot more of it. And thank you guys again for watching. Have a great night.